drones have become an incredible tool for capturing stunning aerial views and exploring the skies, even on a budget. Today's market is filled with options that won't break the bank, offering features once reserved for their pricier counterparts. In today's video guide, we're diving into the best drones under $50 that are available for you. So, whether you're a budding aerial photographer or just looking for some fun, our lineup has something for everyone. We've carefully selected options to ensure you get the most bang for your buck. You'll find links to all products in the description box below. To stay updated with our latest content, remember to subscribe and never miss an update. Now, let's get this adventure off the ground. At the number 3 spot is the RADCLO mini drone with camera. This gadget redefines aerial photography with its 1080p HD 90 degrees manually adjustable lens, offering breathtaking views and the joy of HD pictures and videos through the RADCLO app. Its user-friendly features, including the stable altitude hold function, ensure even beginners can capture professional-level footage with ease. The drone's larger body and comprehensive accessory kit, including 2 PCS 800 mAh batteries for extended flight times, make it a standout choice for outdoor adventurers and tech enthusiasts alike. While its size might be larger than its competitors, leading to a slightly bulkier carry, the RADCLO mini drone excels in providing a reliable and immersive flying experience, ensuring every flight is as memorable as the last. Ranked at number 2 is the Holy Stone HS430 drone. This compact powerhouse transforms the skies into your personal cinema with its 1080p Wi-Fi camera, delivering smooth FPV transmissions right to your phone in real time. Its dual modular LiPo batteries offer an extended flight time, ensuring you don't miss a moment of fun. Designed for portability and ease of use, the HS430 fits right into the thrill seeker's palm, ready to capture life's vast beauty from above. Its plethora of fun functions, including voice and gesture control, caters to both beginners and seasoned drone enthusiasts. While its compact size is a boon for portability, it might challenge those seeking longer, more intense flight experiences. Yet, the Holy Stone HS430 stands as a testament to how grand adventures can come in small packages, proving itself as a top choice for anyone eager to explore the world from a new perspective. At the top of the list is the DEERC D20 mini drone for kids. This gadget is a dream come true for young adventurers, boasting a 720p HD Wi-Fi camera that captures stunning aerial photos and videos. With FPV transmission, users get a bird's-eye view directly on their smartphone app, making every flight an immersive experience. Its user-friendly features like one-key start/landing and altitude hold make it incredibly easy to fly, ensuring even the youngest pilots can capture high-quality footage safely. The drone is equipped with safety features like a low-power alarm and emergency stop, along with 2 powerful batteries that extend flight time to 20 minutes. Despite its primary audience being children, the DEERC D20 doesn't skimp on advanced features like 3D flips and voice-controlled maneuvers, making it fun for the whole family. Its simplicity might not satisfy the tech-savvy teen, but its combination of ease of use, safety, and engaging features make it the perfect introduction to the world of drones, promising endless fun and creativity. Hope you found our roundup of the best drones under $50 helpful. If you did, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more amazing guides. Can't wait to share more tech gems with you. Catch you in the next video.